Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another super exciting episode of GB's Unboxing Adventures. And today, we have a green box. Because green is good. It's green and black and white. Measures 3 inches by 3 inches by 3 inches. Weighs 180 grams. But before we look at it, let's have a drink of beer, shall we? Drink up, buttercup. Oh, that's tasty. Hey, Vault Boy, you're on an angle. What's going on here? The Fallout 3 Vault Boy is better than the Fallout 4. But Vault Girl rules. Alright, so here comes our green box. Kawasaki oil filter. Part number 16097-0007. Filter ASSI. Quantity 1. Made in China. Let's take a look. Anticipation, because it might not be an oil filter. Just says it though, right? Maybe it's an air filter. No. It's an oil filter in a bag. Not just a filter. It comes with a bag too. Buy the filter. Get the bag for free. Ooh, shiny. Japanese writing. Made in China, but has Japanese writing. And English writing. French writing too. There you go. Oil filter. Weren't you excited to see that? I'm excited. A new oil filter, not a used one. There you go, bitches. Ah, I'm glad that you were able to come out and see this. It might have made a few Unboxabators really happy. Right on. RTFO, mofos. Get yourself some beer and drink it up. Woo! RTFO.